Here is my recipe for tandoori chicken.
You're going to take 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs and cut them into 1-inch squares. In a bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of yogurt, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and a teaspoon of cumin, coriander, turmeric, ground ginger, garlic, garam masala, cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper. Once you've added all the ingredients, mix well, then cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Remove the marinated chicken from the refrigerator, then place each chicken piece onto a wooden skewer. Place your skewers onto a greased pan and then bake in the oven at 450 degrees for 45 minutes. Once they're done, they should look like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes.